In this video, you're going to learn how to get a snapshot from the agency view in HighLevel. Hey there, my name is Kerry, Knoll, and in this particular video, I'm going to answer that question for you by addressing the following three questions. Number one, how to find snapshots. Number two, how to create a share link for a snapshot. And number three, how to load snapshots into sub-accounts. So I'm going to hop out of here and into my sub-account, demo sub-account for you, and show you exactly what I'm talking about. So we're in the demo sub-account here, but we need to get to the agency view in order to find our snapshots. So we're going to click on this, and then we're going to click on switch to agency view. And once you're in agency view, you may land on sub-accounts, or you might land on agency dashboard or SaaS configurator or somewhere else. And then we have a new tab that they've added recently here. It used to be back under settings. They put it forefront here called account snapshots. So once we have account snapshots, then we have either my snapshots, imported snapshots, shared snapshots. Say that 3 times fast. Snapshot templates. And so what we can do here, if we want to get a snapshot from the agency view, right? We can pick any of the snapshots we see here under my snapshots or imported ones. And then what we can do is we can literally just grab that snapshot and copy the link to it, right? So if it was this Facebook Messenger spam removal workflow snapshot I have here, then what I can do is click these 3 dots and I can click share snapshot. From there I can select the share type. I have a get one-time share link. That means once it's been used, it'll expire and that link will be no good. We have an email share link, which just means it's going to email the share link to somebody through the software without having to leave HighLevel and go to your email to paste that link into another email. We can get permanent link, which means it'll be usable forever. And we can get agency restricted link, which means it's only allowed in a specific agency. Or we can get a sub-account restricted link, which means it's only going to be valid for a specific sub-account. Typically, we just get the permanent link like this, and then we can click Get Link. And then it'll give us a link that looks something like this, and we can just copy it, and then we can share it or give it to somebody, or we can even, do whatever we need to do with it. And then once we have that, we can do things like send it off, of course, to somebody. Perhaps the next thing you would want to do is actually import a snapshot into a sub-account. And you actually can't do that from any of these 3 dots here. There's no importing or putting the snapshot into a sub-account, right? And none of these actions here work for doing that either. So this is pushing updates to linked locations. This one is refreshing the snapshot. And this one is creating a new sub-account with that particular snapshot, which is what you can do. But if you want to import it to an existing sub-account, then what you need to do is go to sub-accounts. And then once you're in sub-accounts, pick the sub-account you want or search for it by name. And then once you figure out which one it is that you want to import the snapshot to, you click on these 3 dots here and click on Manage Client. And once you click on Manage Client, okay, once you're in the sub-account you've chosen, you want to import a snapshot to, you click on Actions and then Load Snapshot. And then from there you can type it in, or you can search for, you can just scroll the list or search for the particular snapshot you want to install. And then you click on Proceed, and then you go through these 4 steps. And once you get to the end, it will automatically install. It'll automatically install the snapshot to that particular sub-account. All right, so that's how it's done. I want to thank each and every one of you for tuning in and watching this video. I hope you gained some insight into how to get a snapshot from the agency view in HighLevel. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Leave me a comment below this video and I'll do my best to answer them for you as quickly as possible. Okay, before you go, I want to share with you how you can get access to what I consider the biggest, best, and probably baddest HighLevel bonus package you'll ever find on the internet, worth darn near, if not over, $14,000. All right, so below this video you can click on a link that will take you to this page you see in front of you. Once you see this page, you click this black button. this pop-up will pop up. You will enter your name, email address, and phone number. Click this black button, and once you submit your information, you'll be taken over to the HighLevel bonuses page that explains everything you're going to be receiving. So there's another talking head video of me explaining the benefits to my HighLevel bonus package. And if you scroll on down, you can see everything that's included, including my HighLevel Insiders flagship mastermind membership program that's absolutely 100% free just by signing up for either Marketing Engines A.I, my SaaS, or through one of my affiliate links for HighLevel itself. So you can get all the information you need about that on this particular page. This program includes HighLevel Masterclass for beginners. So this gives you a series of videos that will teach you everything you need to know about HighLevel. You will also receive a HighLevel Agency Masterclass for beginners. So if you are on the $297 agency plan or better, the Pro or SaaS white label plan, you will also have everything you need to know about configuring the agency and or white label Pro SaaS plan. From there, you're also going to get access to my Marketing Engines AI, various proprietary engines that I am building out in my Marketing Engines AI SaaS. You can get beta access to these. So the only ones that are going to be getting access to these before Marketing Engines AI actually officially launches on 5/25/25 are those who sign up through my affiliate link or Marketing Engines AI at this point as beta access users. So you're going to get access to the AI appointment booking engine, the AI birthday celebration engine, the AI sales funnel website engine, the AI lead alert engine, the AI reputation review engine, the AI customer referral engine, plus there's going to be several more of these engines added to Marketing Engines AI platform in the coming weeks and months ahead. On top of that, you're also going to get access to the foundation workshops. Now, the foundation workshops are built out to help you grasp the order of operations that are necessary in order to be proficient and be able to build things out in a timely manner for yourself and or your clients. So week number 1, we start with custom fields and custom values. Week number 2, we talk about forms and surveys. Week number 3, we talk about calendars. Week number 4, we talk about pipelines and opportunities. Week number 5, we talk about email services. Week number 6, we talk about phone numbers with the A2P 10 DLC compliance and application process. Week 7, we talk about payments and invoices. Week number 8, workflows and automations. Week number 9, funnels and websites. Week number 10, trigger links and URL redirects. Week number 11, contacts, lists, and tags. Week number 12, conversations and conversation AI. Week 13, Google reviews and reviews AI. And week 14, communities and memberships, with more to come after that. You'll also be receiving marketing engine workshops specifically geared towards helping you fully understand each one of those aforementioned Marketing Engines AI engines that you're going to get beta access to. So reputation management service workshop, the customer referral service workshop, the birthday marketing service workshop, etc. You'll also get access to weekly live Q&A calls, so you get a chance to get all of your questions answered, and we'll keep you up to date with the latest tools, resources, strategies, tactics, and processes that you need in order to be successful with HighLevel. There's also a private community where you can mastermind with and get the support of a select group of like-minded individuals that are as committed to building their business as much as you are. And if you keep on going, you can read some testimonials, and I'll even tell you exactly how to cancel. You can cancel at any time, 24/7, 365, 366 if it's a leap year, and you can even cancel while you're on the pot. So I show you step by step on how to cancel your account if HighLevel is not right for you, or Marketing Engines AI. So again, this total bonus value is $14,099 and counting. I'm sure it'll be increasing as I develop and launch additional engines. And if you have any questions regarding what's all included in the bonus package or high-level insiders. I have a frequently asked questions area that you can pretty much get all the answers to your questions there. However, if you have additional questions, feel free to reach out and I'll do my best to answer them for you. All right, once you've decided to sign up through my HighLevel link or through Marketing Engines A.I, either one on this particular page, you will click one of these black buttons. Once you do that, it'll say try HighLevel now for free, and you will get a chance to either sign up for Marketing Engines A.I, which I will give you a 30-day trial of it. So I give you a little better option than just signing up for HighLevel, where you can only get a 14-day trial. However, if you're not interested in signing up for Marketing Engines A.I for whatever reason, and yet you want to get started with HighLevel, try it out, you can start your 14-day free trial of HighLevel on the starter agency plan by clicking this link. If you have already started a trial through another affiliate, but you have not yet paid, so you're still in the trial period, you can extend your free trial of HighLevel starter agency plan by clicking on this link. If you want, you can start your 30-day, this is actually a typo. You can start your 14-day trial of HighLevel Pro SaaS plan by clicking this link. And the best news is, even if you already have HighLevel through someone else and you're paying month to month or what have you, you can upgrade to the HighLevel agency plan from the starter plan. Let's say you're on the starter plan and you want to move up to the agency plan, you can upgrade here and still get access to all my bonuses, including HighLevel insiders. You can also upgrade to the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, which is the white label plan, by clicking on this link, or you can purchase or upgrade to the HighLevel annual plan by using this last link. If you choose to upgrade to the white label Pro SaaS plan, then you will click on this link and it will take you over to this page here where it says upgrade to HighLevel Pro today. You will have to input the agency relationship number, which you can find right here, agency code. So you just copy and paste this in. And then of course you can use my code ZZYYZZX as well. And then if you are interested in only starting your 14-day free trial of the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, and you click that link, it'll take you over here where you can see everything you're getting and click on start a free trial of the Pro SaaS plan today. All right, so that's everything that's included inside of my HighLevel bonus package. So just pick the option that works best for you, depending on your situation. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. You can either leave me a comment below the video, or if you know how to get in touch with me otherwise, you can send me a message via one of those other options. I'll do my best to get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you so much, and I look forward to helping you learn and advance your skill set with HighLevel inside of HighLevel Insiders. I can't wait for you to join us. Hope you have a good one. We'll speak with you real soon.